Award-winning design and construction combined with top-tier amenities and the convenience of a master-planned community. You can build your dream Bloomfield home right here in Wildflower Ranch in Justin, Texas. This neighborhood offers an incredible lifestyle with built-in amenities right outside your front door. Wildflower Ranch gives you easy access to downtown Fort Worth, the Mid-Cities area, and Denton. You're also near the Alliance Corridor and Airport. I-35 and Highways 114, 287, and 170 are all close by. Here in this community, we feature the Rose 2 and Magnolia 2 model homes. The Rose is a two-story home loaded with style and function with 4 to 6 bedrooms and over 3,300 to almost 3,600 square feet. Choose from 5 different elevations and several stone and brick options. And the Magnolia floor plan offers up to 6 bedrooms with options for a front balcony and on some designs a rear balcony as well. Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. Relax and cool off at the state-of-the-art amenity center and lazy river, or take advantage of the extensive trail and park system along Harriet Creek, meandering through the neighborhood. And Wildflower Ranch is close to several lakes, as well as the Texas Motor Speedway and the DFW Adventure Park. Children living here will attend the highly acclaimed Northwest ISD, with an elementary school right in the community. And you have convenient access to the University of North Texas, Texas Woman's University, and Tarrant County College. Come find a floor plan that fits your needs and start enjoying the incredible lifestyle that comes with living here in Wildflower Ranch. Visit a model home today and experience the Bloomfield difference.